If your fruit bowl is missing mangosteen, you're missing out big time. Mangosteen, with its deep purple rind and juicy white flesh, is not just a treat for your taste buds. It's packed with antioxidants, which are amazing for fighting free radicals and keeping your skin glowing. Feeling a cold coming on? Mangosteen is here to save the day. Its anti-inflammatory properties can help boost your immune system and keep those sniffles at bay. And guess what? It's also great for your heart. Mangosteen helps improve blood flow and reduce bad cholesterol. Plus, it's low in calories, making it a perfect snack for Weight Watchers. So next time you're at the store, grab some mangosteen and give your health a delicious boost. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe for more awesome health tips.